Hey, it's Brandon Hemming with BrandonHemming.com, and today I got a question for you. Do you wonder how it is that some people can post on their timeline, or use their personal profiles, and actually build their business and not get shut down, not get spammed? Because let's face it, Facebook is about being social. Your personal profile is supposed to be personal. If you want a business page, you're supposed to be creating a business page. Today I'm going to give you four simple ways to maximize your personal profile, without paid ads. So that maybe, just maybe, some people might start reaching out to you, asking you what it is that you do. So stick around. I got those four simple ways to maximize that.
Life is short. Really, really short.
4 simple ways to maximize your personal profile so that people can start coming to you instead of you chasing them. Very cool stuff. So let's just jump right in here. Okay, the very first thing, let's talk about your banner. Your banner photo. That's the big caption photo, the big photo across the top. That should reflect who you are, right? It should reflect some of the things that's exciting about life for you. So for example, for me, it's all about faith, family, and freedom. If you go over to my personal profile, you'll see that in the About section. It says faith, family, and freedom. I love my faith, I love my family, and I love my freedom, right? Those are the things I'm chasing. Those are the things I'm going for. You'll see posts on my profile about my faith. You'll see those things about my family. Pictures I have is about with me and my wife, me and my kids, doing some silly, goofy stuff. There's a picture in there, in that banner picture, that's specifically about military in this country, God, faith, God, and God and country, right? So I'm prior military, so that's something that's very important to me. Okay, so your banner profile should reflect things about you. Okay, and then change it up every so often, right? The next thing, number two is your profile photo. Your profile photo does not need to be of your dog, your spouse, your kids, anyone else. It needs to be about you. It needs to be a nice photo. It can be a selfie. It really just needs to be you, because your biggest brand piece, the biggest way to brand you, is your face. And then your name. Your face and your name. People will need to look at your profile and go, that's the guy I'm talking to, or that's the gal I'm talking to. Not, ooh, I don't know which one that is. Am I talking to a dog or a cat? I don't know. So your profile picture needs to be you, and you alone, right? Your about section. So this is something, this is a huge thing here. A lot of people neglect their about section, and this is somewhere that's actually a very, very, it's prime real estate that most people forget about. They don't use it. So your prime real estate being on your about section. For me, I'm a little more, I put faith, family, and freedom, and then I put a link to for a giveaway. That's what I use, because I want people to look at that and go, oh, 53 social posts so to engage and attract your perfect prospect, and I put the link to it. It's a giveaway. Something people want. If you are in the business of network marketing and you're trying to build a home-based business online, you want to know how to do that. You want to know how to generate some conversations. That's what it's for. And so that's what I do. I put that in there. I'm a little more on your face about that, because I don't want it to be different. The about section down the side, right, should have someone there. If you're actually building a business, you should have a business page, because Facebook is let's play by the rules, right? Know the rules before you break them. Let's play by the rules. If you're in a home-based business and you're trying to build stuff online and actually trying to sell stuff and actually build a business and make money, let's be real. Facebook says that should be done on a business page. I know that there's a lot of and there's ways that you can generate traffic and get people on your business page free, organically. And we can talk about that too in another time. If you've got a question about that, let me know. And if you, like I said, if you start getting stuff from here and you're actually getting some information, you really like this, let me know. So your About section should have a connection to your business page. If you look at mine, it does. CEO at Brandon S. Hemming, my business page. Brings people over here. Like my page. That's what I want. Okay? If you want the free PDF, go pick it up. Right? That's what it's there for. To bring them into my world a little bit more. The next section, okay? This is one that I can talk about extensively. It's called my timeline. Your timeline. There's an entire course that I got from this, and I actually used it, and I've cleaned up. And let's say a few years ago, it was covered with spammy stuff. It really was just made me feel kind of almost, but I was doing what I thought. Almost slimy, but I was doing what I was taught. They told me to do this, and this is what you do. So that's what I did. I threw pictures of my company, pictures of my products. I threw links all over the place. And guess what? This isn't a sales platform. You have to think about your business and what platform you're using. This isn't about that here. What it is about is, wait for it, is social. Facebook is very social, right? They come here just to kind of be entertained, maybe learn a thing or two, kind of pick up some information. You really don't come here for how-tos. You go to YouTube for that. But your timeline, with this course, Posting for Profits course I have access to, would actually teach you how to do a product post appropriately, how to do a business post appropriately. Matter of fact, you can go to my personal profile and you can kind of look through my stuff. There's no links, but flip through and see if you can tell which one's a business post. And they're scattered all throughout there. It doesn't have to be video, but it can be, should be. But you can just do a regular product post or a regular business post, and no links, nothing like that. It's creating curiosity. So someone reaches out and says, what is it you're doing? Then lifestyle post. You got to have a lifestyle that people want to be around, right? And so this course will actually teach you that whole thing. The whole thing. So again, just as a recap, your banner. Number 2, your profile photo. Number 3, the About section. And number 4, your timeline. Clean it up. Clean it today. Fix it all. Make it work. Maximize your profile. And if you need any help, let me know. If you want the notes, hit #notes and I'll get those to you. #ahas, I really appreciate it. If you find some people who actually that are benefiting from this, please drop that in the comments. Feel free to share this video with them, and we will talk to you guys later. Talk to you later. Bye.
Because it's really cool and so easy to do, but most of us don't do it. Life is short. Really, really short.